Well, well, well. Look who came here. Look, I don't mean about this, Ragyo, but you're being a bit bitched up. I don't think so, because this is my life, and this is my integrity. The behavior goes along, arms around. This is something powerful. Oh, wait a moment. Ow! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! It hurts so much. Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! This is very nice. I mean, it's not bad or terrible or shut up. Oh! Don't you want me to have fun with you? Because it's so beautiful. Look at all these people. Han, I love being evil. La vie drôle, isn't it? Yeah. We're not the same, you know. Oh, come on. We're both mothers, and don't you want to have more mommy time? Or more power time, or more, you know, being a little stuck up. It's not your thing. It's my thing. Now, whatever you need to do, you need to shut your crap up. My God, this is awful. I mean, when are you gonna yell? I don't know. I'm bored. Me too. Factory, I'm really sad about Lily, but you know I'm really sad. Mommy? I am not your mother. I am the display of Lisansky.
Oh, okay. I'm really tired too. I'm really integrating, and I'm really also really tired. I'm so tired, so hard. Well, what are we gonna do today?
I don't know.
Are we taking pots?
No, we're not. I'm tired. I can eat this guy right now. Ah! Oh my God! This is Jack in the Beanstalk!
Oh, it's that Pinocchio guy. Just leave him alone, Uzu. He's dead. He's dead man Wonderland. Let's watch this show instead.
It's so blurry.
I know, that's a joke.
Lady Satsuki, what do we do?
You're still sleeping, you dumbass.
This is so funny. I love that.
Me too. Oh shit, I'm not feeling well. Blah. 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 Oh God, how awful. It's so awful. So when do we do something?
I don't know, but it is something.
Can we do something?
Can we not do something?
I don't know.
This is so good. I don't know what I'm doing.
Me neither. Come to think of it, it's so boring out here.
It's not boring. Well, if it isn't the people that can suck my crap out. And Shirley, wait till I get my power. What the hell are you guys doing? I'm trying to be tired. You want to join?
Oh, no. No.
I wonder what we're gonna do. It's gonna be stupid. Don't worry. I'll know how to do. Rainbows. I'm in Candyland.
Welcome to Candyland. Can I have your order?
I love this job.
Welcome to Candyland.
I love this job. La 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 la.
What the hell are we doing?
I think we're stuck in Candyland. We're gonna go to Candyland.
Yay. Bullcrap.
Screw Candyland. But guys, Candyland's a great thing. Nope.
Nuh-uh.
Come to think of it. Hey, whatever the rest of the guys are doing.
I don't know. We're trapped in your dream of Candyland.
Yeah, it's a great game. You want to play it? No.
No, we're just gonna go.
You guys are dumb assholes. Ugh.